Ibotta doesn't show the same cashback offers to every user because it adjusts what you see based on the stores you've used, the categories you browse, and the receipt history tied to your account. That's why two people on the same app can open it and see completely different deals. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get more offers to appear in your Ibotta app, and how to make the app stop showing you the same limited set of deals. First thing to understand is how Ibotta actually builds your offer feed. The app tracks what you shop for, and what you ignore. If you only ever redeem grocery offers, you'll keep seeing grocery-heavy cashback. If you start browsing other categories without redeeming them, the app begins widening what it shows you. So your activity inside the app directly shapes your offer list. The fastest way to unlock more offers is to actively browse different stores inside the app instead of only searching for one product. Open multiple store pages, scroll through categories like household, snacks, and personal care, and let the app register that you're interested in more than one type of purchase. Even if you don't redeem anything right away, that browsing activity changes your feed over time. Next, make sure your store connections and location settings are fully enabled. When Ibotta can match your location and link to retailers, it can surface store-specific offers that don't appear in the general list. If you skip this step, you're basically limiting yourself to generic cashback instead of targeted deals. Another thing that helps is checking the bonuses and any brand sections instead of only searching for specific products. Bonuses often bundle multiple offers together, which pushes the app to surface additional cashback opportunities you wouldn't normally see on the main screen. The any brand offers also expand your options because they're not tied to a single product name. You also want to open the app consistently, even when you're not planning to shop. Ibotta refreshes its offer feed regularly, and users who only open it right before checkout tend to miss new deals that appear between shopping trips. Finally, don't ignore receipt submissions from different retailers. Every time you successfully redeem from a new store, it signals to the app that you shop in that category, which leads to more relevant offers being added over time. If you want more Ibotta offers, the pattern is simple. Use more categories, connect more stores, and interact with the app outside of checkout moments. Quick recap: your browsing behavior shapes your offers, store and location settings unlock hidden deals, and checking bonuses plus multiple categories expands what you see. Start by opening the app and browsing 3 new categories you normally ignore today, then check back in a few days to see how your offer list changes. If this helped, like and subscribe for more straightforward app guides like this.